What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making creamy pumpkin soup. This is so easy to make using canned pumpkin. So first I have a Dutch oven on medium-high heat, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil along with 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and 1/4 cup of chopped celery. I'm gonna saute these veggies until they're translucent and fragrant. Next, I'm going to add in 3 minced garlic cloves, then give everything a nice good stir. Then I have 4 cups of broth here. You can use any broth that you like. Then I have 30 ounces of 100% pureed pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and some salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to give everything a nice good stir. And then I'm going to adjust my heat to medium-low. I put the lid on the pot, and this is going to simmer for 15 minutes. Then I open up the pot. I give everything a nice good stir, and then I grab my immersion blender to puree that. This is completely optional, but this is how you get it nice and creamy. So be careful, you don't want to burn yourself here. You can also use a blender if you prefer. And then I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to give it so much flavor and a nice creamy texture as well. And there you have it, creamy pumpkin soup.